AGORACOM Talks.
Your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007. Today, we're diving deep into some breaking news, pulling out the really impactful results and developments from the small-cap world. Think of this as your immediate briefing on what's truly moving the needle in advanced materials, environmental tech, and critical mineral exploration.
Indeed. We're cutting through the noise here, highlighting the tangible stuff, the financial and operational advancements designed to make you pause, analyze, maybe even take a deeper look. These are the details that often get buried, right? But they're essential for understanding a company's true potential.
Okay, let's unpack this. We've got 5 key stories today, packed with compelling numbers, significant milestones. Let's get straight into it. First up, a major stride in advanced materials. HPQ Silicon, their headline. HPQ Silicon advances toward commercial production of high-purity fumed silica, marking a major milestone in advanced materials innovation. So what's the story behind this purity claim?
Well, what's fascinating here is the pilot testing validation. It's really significant. They've managed to improve product purity quite dramatically. We're looking at carbon-based impurities reduced by 85%, and other impurities down by 50% to 86%. That's substantial. But here's the kicker. Surface area also increased by 57%. Now, this isn't just about being cleaner. That increased surface area boosts the material's reactivity. For investors, this is a crucial step towards disrupting a $2 billion global industry? Fumed silica is everywhere.
Right, silicon's batteries.
Exactly. So even small improvements mean big efficiency gains.
Yeah.
As their CEO, Bernard Torrione, put it, this is a validation not only of our technology, but of our vision to build a better, cleaner process.
That really links the tech improvement to market potential.
Okay, shifting gears. Let's look at Europe's plastic waste crisis with PyroGenesis. TSX, PYR, the headline. PyroGenesis targets Europe's plastic waste crisis with new $600,000 contract. Is this just a one-off deal or is there more to it? Good question. If we connect the dots, this $600,000 contract with a major European environmental services company, it's actually their third collaboration. That really underscores the growing confidence in their plasma tech. It's not just a trial anymore.
Third time.
And it's a direct response to Europe's situation. They face steep penalties for non-recycled plastics, up to an eye-watering 800 levy per ton.
Wow.
Yeah. And Europe produces around 32 million tons of plastic waste annually, most of which isn't recycled. PyroGenesis offers a high-temp plasma solution that actually breaks down the waste at a molecular level.
So better than just burning it.
Much better. Avoids those harmful emissions. Their CEO, Peter Pascali, notes this relationship underscores the growing appeal our solutions have with large, diversified companies. Shows real momentum.
Definitely an urgent problem needing, a compelling solution. Okay, sticking with environmental remediation, let's move to the U.S. with Zafiro-Methane, CBOE Canada, ZEFI. Headline, Zafiro-Methane's subsidiary secures new government contract to tackle orphaned wells in Ohio. Orphaned wells? Sounds specific. What's the real significance and the financial impact for investors?
That's the key question.
Yeah.
What's the financial impact? Their subsidiary, Plants and Goodwin, Inc., they secured a $420,784 contract. It's called the Belmont 6 project, and they expect a profit margin of approximately 20%. That's pretty out.
20%, okay.
And this isn't isolated either. It builds on a recent, much larger $19.6 million 3-year contract they secured. Now, orphaned wells. These are basically abandoned oil and gas wells, often leaking methane, a potent greenhouse gas, straight into the air. It's a big problem.
Okay.
So Zafiro isn't just winning contracts. They're tackling a national environmental priority, mitigating emissions, restoring land. It's a critical government-backed revenue stream.
Significant margin on vital cleanup work.
Got it. Okay, complete shift now to the gold sector. Let's start with Goldshore Resources, TSX-V, GSHR, their headline. Goldshore Resources expands Moss Gold project potential with significant new drill results. How significant are we talking here?
The results are pretty compelling, yeah. Especially for a project like Moss. There is a standout intercept from their 20,000-meter drill program. 42.7 meters, grading 1.09 grams per ton gold.
42 meters, that's wide.
It is. And within that, there's a higher grade chunk, 20.0 meters at 1.77 grams per ton gold. Now that 1.09 gram might not sound super high grade, but for a bulk tonnage target over that width, it's very attractive. Indicates strong economic potential. Their CEO, Michael Henriksen, highlighted that these results confirm the presence of wide gold-bearing shear zones that could translate into rapid economic payback.
And they're drilling more.
Oh yeah, gearing up for an ambitious 50,000-meter campaign, so they're aggressively pushing this forward. Robust numbers, clear path forward. Okay, finally, let's stick with gold, but head to Egypt with Aten Resources. TSX-V, AAN, headline. Aten Resources uncovers high-grade gold at Semna, strengthening Egypt's emerging mining sector. How does this fit into Egypt's mining story?
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting for an emerging district like Egypt's eastern desert. Phase 3 drilling at Semna returned some truly high-grade numbers. Get this, 14.33 grams per ton, gold over 9 meters.
14 grams.
And another strong hit, 10.74 grams per ton over 6 meters. Plus, you look at historical results nearby, 50.07 grams per ton over 6 meters. Just incredible potential.
Wow, 50 grams.
Exactly. And crucially, metallurgical tests show gold recovery rates exceeding 97%. That's vital for future economics. It means they can get the gold out efficiently. As their CEO, Tonava, confirms, we're advancing steadily toward our goal of building multiple mining operations at Abu Marwat. This really highlights Egypt's potential to become a significant mining player.
So, wrapping this all up, what does this mean for you, our listener? From advanced materials creating cleaner processes to tackling global waste to finding high-grade gold, these companies are showing real progress, backed by hard numbers, strategic contracts, solid drill results.
Absolutely. Whether it's those breakthrough purity levels at HPQ, the multi-million-dollar environmental contracts for PYRGenesis and Zafiro, or those significant drill intercepts from Goldshore and Aten. Each story highlights tangible advancements, which raises an important question, I think. In this flood of information we all face, how might these specific results reshape your understanding of innovation and investment potential in these critical sectors?
Good question. Take these nuggets of knowledge, let them spark your own further exploration. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.